What is Syndicated 3D Plus Detailing? It is a service that we are developing under the banner of Predefine. We create 3D-based details for projects. These come with 2D representations ready to be notated and incorporated into building consent or tender documents. We have been making these details for over 20 years and have seen them well received within the industry, both at the design end and by builders or installers when constructing. While very useful communication tools, their uptake has been hindered by cost. Most documenting fee packages do not allow for these. Based on our experience with the manufacturer product supplier segment of the industry, we've come up with the idea of approaching them to support the sponsoring of these 3D details. They have been known to provide specific 2D detailing for projects and some assist with Revit families and 3D ArchiCAD models too. We believe this can be extended to project-specific details. Our approach builds on their willingness to support project documenting with the opportunity to create brand presence via BIMX and Revisto links to their websites, expanding their reach beyond the design consultants to the entire project team. Based on our experience, most projects need up to 100 in-place project-specific 3D details to fully describe the building and ensure successful BC applications. These usually incorporate systems and products numbering in multiples of tens. Yet, to make the approach financially viable, between 5 and 10 parties are necessary to join into a syndicate to sponsor the creation of these 3D details. Once the funding is in place and the project fully defined, we take the consultant's models. These should be modeled to a 1:50, 1:100 scale, something usually done these days to create standard BC documents and represent design intent. Based on these, we identify the details that will be produced, minimum 10, maximum 100. With the help of the consultant's sketches, specifications, and personal briefings, we create the first drafts of the 3D details, usually within 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes even faster. There is a review period of 3 weeks after this for the consultants to check the details and mark up changes. There is only one of these review periods on offer, and the systems and materials can't be changed from those initially specified. Unbranded products can be used but need to stay such throughout the process. The 3D details come with 2D representations that you can incorporate into your drawings. They need notating and dimensioning should you wish to embed them within consents or tender sets. We know that this approach is not for everyone, nor for every project. You may develop your details progressively and iteratively and use the process to fully define the building. Surprisingly, our approach can be the glue that pulls together sometimes disjointed groups of documenting teams operating in fragmented workflows. While we are building up the database of branded libraries and willing suppliers, there will be a cost to the consultants. The more projects that have this approach incorporated, the more affordable the details will become, helping everyone refocus their funds to other useful endeavors. Get in touch to talk about the project you may wish to pilot for Syndicated 3D detailing.